don't even know where to start. I'm like nervous and like I have no idea what to say. But I want to just dig straight into the topic and give you like a tip, a hint for new YouTubers or new people getting into the filming or photography industry, or just whatever you're doing with saving things. It's been so hard for me to make this video. I've been so nervous, I've been scared. I've just been like so out of it mentally and like just destroyed after what has happened. And like we're gonna make this a serious 100% video, uncut, just straight to the point. Not really straight to the point, but a little bit detailed. Just want to give everyone out there like a hint, a tip, a trick, so you don't have the same mistake that I went through, because it destroys you. And like it's so I don't even know the words, but it's just so, yeah, it's just so destructive on you, and mentally and physically. It drains you, and it's so sad that it like holds you back. So I just want to share something. You've obviously seen the video yesterday that has been posted about us traveling to New Zealand. So I managed to get the beginning footage of everything, and you know, today was going to be the next day that I posted. And New Zealand actually happened in November/December, so half November, half December. We went there for a month, and I had every single day vlogged, photos from every single day. And obviously the next day is not posted right now as I'm posting this and filming this. This is real life right now, by the way. Not real, but it is now May, and this is when I'm filming this. So it has been 5 months since I've actually filmed something like proper, serious. So like I said, this video is going to be 100% serious. No cuts, no edits, nothing. But yeah, today was supposed to be day 2 or day 3 or 4 or whatever of New Zealand, and I would have been posting this a long time ago, but the worst thing happened to me was I ended up, you know, every day was a tiring day in New Zealand. So let me just start at the beginning. We'd wake up, we'd have a camper van, we'd go exploring, we'd drive, we'd see new sights and new places, we'd stop here and there, try new food, blah blah blah, this and that. And so after a couple days, my memory cards would fill up. I'd put them on the hard drive, and my computer hard drive itself is not that large, so I'd put them on an external hard drive, portable one, and I don't have many SD cards. So at the end of the trip, everything was going good, you know, get back home, plug my hard drive in, and it ends up crashing. Looked at a few photos, was really excited, and then it ended up just going tits up, everything gone. Tried putting on the computer, I tried plugging it back in, you know, multiple times, running diagnostic tests, everything, trying to find things, and finally I just couldn't have a solution. So I sent my hard drive in to Seagate, hoping that they could recover something, you know, putting into a new hard drive, donor drive, you know, that long, hard, vacuum sealed, dust proof room process that they go through. And in the end they sent it back. They said that one of the arms was bent, but at the same time, you know, the donor drive didn't do anything because the disc itself was burnt. So unfortunately I was destroyed, upset for now like 5 months. But I'm finally trying to get back into it with this whole quarantine by making videos, filming and doing things, trying to be productive. But like I said, it was destructive. Like for 5 months mentally, I was just like, I still am. It's destroyed me, but I've learned to pick myself back right up, pick myself right back up. I know that makes completely no sense, but pick myself back up and learn from what was really tragic. I still have the beginning of New Zealand and the end, which I will be posting after this video, but everything in the middle was gone, was disappeared. So we started let me just give you a brief rundown of what we did in New Zealand. We started in Auckland, and we flew to Christchurch. We picked up a camper van. We drove south towards, I can't remember exactly, I think it was Invercargill, and then up towards Queenstown. We did Milford Sound. We did bungee jumping. We saw like the Pacific coast on the South Island, which was beautiful. We saw penguins. Then we drove north through the glaciers, made our way up towards, what was that bay called? I can't even remember. Golden Bay. We checked out a bunch of places there. Then we took the ferry across with our camper van all the way to the North Island, Wellington. Wellington was beautiful. Then we drove north. We had some manuka honey here and there. And we drove north towards the mountains. It was rainy. We were going to do like a 20-kilometer hike, but it didn't work out for us. Then we went to Hobbiton, which was amazing. Highly recommend the evening banquet, by the way. Much more expensive, but we did blackwater rafting, so within caves. We did like a cave tour, which was pretty sick, and we saw glowworms. Then we headed north towards, I can't even remember, but there was some city there that was really close to White Island. That after we left that city, that a couple days later the White Island volcano erupted, which was really unfortunate. And thank God that we were not on there, but unfortunate for those people that were. Very sad. Then we went to Hot Water Beach. We dug a hole, we sat in hot water. Then we went to Cathedral Cove, which was a beautiful cove. Very nice beach, very nice scenery, very interesting kind of like big actual cove cave that they have that you could walk along the beach. It's amazing, highly recommend it. Then we made it back towards Auckland, and we headed north towards the tip, Cape Reinga. So we basically went from south all the way north. Then we came back down into Pia Beach, and we returned our camper van. We stayed in Auckland, and then yeah, you'll see the rest of that footage in the coming days. I'll post 2 or 3. I even have a camper review, luckily. But yeah, so this is my hard drive. Like, they sent it back to me. They could not recover anything, and unfortunately the data is somewhere either gone or just somewhere on here. I don't know what to do with it anymore. And my basic, well, not my basic, but basically my tip and my trick that I wanted to let you guys know is carry multiple hard drives. Leave your data saved on your laptop. Carry multiple SD cards, whatever you need to do, but I'm gonna start backing up my stuff like 3 times. I'm gonna have probably the hard drive, multiple SD cards, laptop, whatever I can find, and I'm gonna have like multiple files when I'm traveling. You know, at home it's not as bad, but I'm also looking for a program where I could store things in the cloud, but that's in the process, just so I don't lose things. But there was I had 40 days of video footage and about 2,500 photos, and yeah, it was destructive. My mind, my heart, everything was, I thought I was gonna give up, but you know what? I turned everything around, and I'm not giving up. I'm starting to film again. I'm finishing editing a lot of past vlogs that I have, and I'm coming up with a whole new weekly system and a new, what do I call it? I guess like a weekly schedule, I guess. So I'm gonna have, you know, Monday specific things, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I have a lot of things planned that I've been working on in this quarantine time and in my mental recovery, but so far so good. I have videos ready to go, and I'm excited to start getting back into it. But yeah, it has been destructive, you know, 5 months for me. New Zealand, it was like the best place we've ever gone to. It was so beautiful, so much to do, so adventurous, so much adrenaline. It was amazing, and the memory in my mind will last forever. Unfortunately, I won't be able to share everything with you guys, but for the footage that I have and the photos that I have, it was an amazing trip. And luckily, I do have some proof of that, so I'm happy. And I'm not lying that we went to New Zealand, but I was so excited to have so much footage, and I was too hopeful, I guess. Too hopeful. I thought that all that footage was gonna be the next step for me, but fortunately it wasn't. And we are here today discussing, you know, hard drives. So take that in mind. If you have any questions about the New Zealand trip, put them down in the comments below. If you have any questions about hard drives or whatever, you know, let me know. Feel free to answer. Let me know if you've had any troubles like this before in the comments below. If you like this video, you know, it's probably not that likable. It's pretty boring, it's pretty serious, uncut. And I just figured it was something I needed to share. I hope I caught everything. I mean, New Zealand, broken hard drive, end of New Zealand, what we did. So yeah, there was just a lot of things. Stay tuned for the rest of New Zealand videos coming up. I got a bunch of reviews and lots of fun, wacky things coming up. You obviously saw yesterday's video. I'm not gonna mention that again, but if you guys are enjoying, make sure you subscribe, please. It would help out a lot. It would boost my confidence back up again. Subscribe if you haven't yet, please, please. Like the video. It's not really likable, like I said. Man, I'm just repeating myself right now. Comment, like, subscribe. That'd be fantastic. And glad I finally had the guts and the courage to film this video. It was really, really difficult, and it still is difficult. I was nervous doing this. I don't even know if I said things properly. And I know I'm repeating myself and saying stupid stuff now, but I'm gonna leave it at that. Difficult times. Go for good measures, you know. Things like this strengthen us and make us stronger, so yeah. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Make sure you stay tuned. I know I'm not my regular self in this video, but I'll stop boring you now. Just keep that tip and trick in mind. Have a lot of hard drives, have a lot of memory. It'll save you in the end. So I know I've learned that lesson, but I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Cheers.